Bugatti has shattered the open-roof road car speed record with a staggering 282 miles per hour. The Mistral World Record Edition achieved this feat, surpassing Hennessy's previous benchmark. This remarkable speed was verified at the Papenburg test track in Germany. The Mistral, named after a French wind, is a 1 of 99 limited edition Bugatti. It boasts an 8.0-liter quad-turbo W16 engine, producing 1,578 brake horsepower. Its design features vertical headlights inspired by La Voiture Noire and a rear X-bar light from the Bolide. Why Papenburg? Bugatti, now a joint venture with Rimac, no longer has access to Arlesian. Papenburg's 4-kilometer straights posed a challenge, requiring driver Andy Wallace to maintain high speeds off banked corners to reach the 282 miles per hour peak. The Mistral dethroned the Hennessy Venom GT Spider's 265.6 miles per hour record from 2016. This one-off Mistral was commissioned by an owner with a collection of record-setting Bugattis, ensuring its place in automotive history. Top Gear had exclusive access to this record attempt. Stay tuned for behind-the-scenes coverage, including how the record was set and a review of the Mistral from the driver's seat. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share your thoughts if you like this video. Please do thumbs up and subscribe and follow me.